Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Morning Task Overview notification on Todoist application. So how to turn off Morning Task Overview notification on mobile on Todoist application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Todoist app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Todoist app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. Tap Notification menu. Tap Morning Overview. And tap Morning Task Overview. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off Morning Task Overview notification on Todoist application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.